Hello students, today we will discuss on exercise 2.4 sum number 1 and 2. Find whether x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial or not. To prove this, find first 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. How to find minus 1? X plus 1 equal to 0 implies that x equal to minus 1. So 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. Then put minus 1 here in this polynomial. Then we get this p of minus 1 here, minus 1 whole to the power 4 plus minus 1 whole to the power 3 plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus plus 1. So it will be plus 1 not equal to 0. Then when remainder not equal to 0, so this will be not factor of this polynomial. So x plus 1 is not a factor of this polynomial. Next, sum number 1 and 1. X plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial or not. Then put minus 1 in this polynomial. Then p of minus 1 is minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1. So it will be 0. Remainder 0. So x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Next sum 2 and 2. Find whether gx is a factor of px or not. So first gx equal to 0, but 0 of gx is x plus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 2. So 0 of x plus 2 is minus 2. So put minus 2 in this polynomial px. Then p of minus 2 is minus 1. P of minus 2 is minus 1, not equal to 0. Therefore gx is not a factor of px. Next question, sum number 3 and 3. X minus 1 is a factor of px. X minus 1 is a factor of px. Then find the value of k. Then 0 of x minus 1 is 1. X minus 1 equal to 0. Then we get x equal to 1. So 0 of x minus 1 is 1. Put 1 here in this polynomial. Then p of 1 equal to must be 0 because this is a factor of this polynomial. So it will be must 0. So put here 1, k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So it will be k minus root 2 plus 1 minus root 2, move minus root 2 and 1 from right side, then to the right side, then it will be k equal to root 2 minus 1. It is the answer. The value of k is root 2 minus 1. Next sum, factorize the polynomial using factor theorem. First, what to do? First, from this polynomial common 2 because coefficient of x square must be 1. For this we have to common 2 from x square and the whole polynomial. From the whole polynomial common 2, then it will be x square plus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2. Now we have to find factor of this number. Then factor of 3 by 2 are plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2 plus minus 3. It is the factors of 3 by 2. Then put the value 1 by 1 in the polynomial 2x square is from this. Now let px equal to this and put 1 by 1 in value. P of 1 after putting the 1 value not equal to 0, it will be 6. After putting p of minus half, after putting the value minus half, then it will be 0. In this polynomial put minus half, then it will be 0. And again when we put minus 3 in the polynomial, then answer also remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. Therefore since minus half after putting minus of remainder is 0 and putting minus 3 remainder is 0, so x plus half symbol will be changed, x plus half and x plus 3 are the two factors of the polynomial. Then we can write this polynomial by this way, x plus half into x plus 3, because 2 is the common. Then LCM of x plus half, 2 as LCM, then 2x plus 1 and x plus 3, multiply 2 and 2, it will be cut, then 2x plus 1 into x plus 3, it is the factor. Next sum, factor of 2 are plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. So let px equal to this. Then after when we put 1 in the polynomial, then we have 0, remainder 0. So x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Now write this way, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. After gap 1 line, write x minus 1 3 times, because highest power of the polynomial is 3, so put x minus 1 3 times. Then we have to make x cube by using x, so multiply x with x square, then we get x cube, x square into x equal to x cube. Right here x cube, x square into minus 1 is minus x square, but here is minus 2x square, so we have to do minus x square also. Then minus x square is the minus 2x square. Then we have to make minus x square by this x, then multiply x with minus x, then we get minus x square. Minus x into x is minus x square. Minus x into minus 1 equal to plus x, but here is minus x, so we have to do minus 2x plus x and minus 2x make minus x. So now you have to make minus 2x by with this x, so multiply by minus 2, minus 2 into x is minus 2x, and minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Therefore common x minus 1, and we write the rest of the terms, x square, then minus x, and rest minus 2. And again you have to factorize this by using previous 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. Then x minus 1 common x from these two terms, then x minus 2, and common from these two terms plus 1 x minus 2. Then x minus 1 and common x minus 2, and rest will be x plus 1. It is the answer. Thank you, students.